In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Rockstar account from Steam. This process goes through Rockstar support, and it hinges on providing the correct Steam information and a clear acknowledgement of what unlinking means for your games and progress. Start by signing into Steam. At the top right, click your profile name and choose Account Details. On that page, look for the long number labeled Steam ID. This is your Steam ID 64, and it's what Rockstar uses to verify the correct account. Copy that number. Then take a screenshot that clearly shows your profile name and the Steam ID on the same screen. Make sure the text is readable and nothing sensitive is visible other than what's required. Next, head to the Rockstar Game Support site and log into the Rockstar account you want to unlink. You need to be in the exact account that's currently connected to Steam. From there, start a support ticket by navigating to Account, then Account Settings, and then Linking or Unlinking Accounts. This is the official channel that handles unlinking requests. In your support request, paste your Steam ID 64 and attach the screenshot you captured earlier. Rockstar asks for both to confirm ownership and ensure they unlink the correct profile. Also include a clear statement that you understand the consequences of unlinking. Spell it out plainly, that unlinking will prevent you from playing Rockstar titles through Steam and that you'll lose online progress tied to that link. Keeping this acknowledgement unambiguous helps avoid back and forth and speeds up review. Before you submit, review Rockstar's PC account unlinking policy to make sure you're eligible. Their policy outlines when they will approve unlinking and any limitations that might apply, so it's worth confirming your situation aligns with their rules. When everything looks good, submit the ticket and wait for Rockstar's reply by email. Response times can vary, so be patient. Keep an eye on your inbox, and consider checking spam or junk folders in case their message is filtered. If they need anything else, they'll let you know, and if everything is in order, they'll process the unlink on their end. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.